I know, another transmission. I know I have a problem. So, I bought another transmission. It was more complete than what it looks like. This was supposedly a Rancho box. The snap ring came out of the Super Diff. So, I've cleaned it up. I have another Super Diff. This is the, it's got a 412 ring and pinion. I don't know what gears are in it. Probably just your standard stock gears, probably welded third and fourth. Rancho stuff. I bought a nose cone. So this transmission is going to go in the gray car. I'm learning as I go. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see, the 68. It's got the axle tubes all painted. I got this with the deal. I've got some sway away axles that are going to go in it. And I'm going to put these stainless steel side covers on, or not stainless, just steel side covers on. They are heavy. They will probably hold everything together pretty solid. These are off a reduction box I bought a while back. I think I paid $50 for the transmission and these were on it. Everything else was a bonus that was in it. So things are coming along for the 68. I've got my BTM box, two-step boost controller. That's going to go in the car. That's the turbo, the end castings. This is the German swing axle transmission kit. It's a pretty nice kit. A lot of kits I've been looking do not include the seal that goes on the underside of that around the flange. So I guess a lot of people goop it up. I might still do that. I don't know. Axle boots. What else? I bought a set of Panchito, CB Performance Panchito heads. A new distributor. We've got a Thing fan shroud. Type 4 oil cooler going in the car. The boost referenced pressure regulator, fuel pressure regulator. I'm just getting y'all caught up on what I know. I have not made videos in a while, so I don't know where everybody's at. We've got a lot of new subscribers. What we got in here? We got some stuff in here, some goodies. What else do we have? That's about it for now. I do have some Weddle stuff. I am putting new carrier bearings in there. I got some stuff for the other transmission that I'm working. This one's going to get the Berg Poor Man Posse. I'm going to try that out. So this is just a quick video. I'm not really going to get into too much. The snap ring did break these side gears. Hey, look, they're pretty worn. Just from, you can tell. Let's see. See that? So I bought replacements from Weddle. These I was not too sure of. They kind of got some funky scratches on them, the spider gears. So, you know, I probably could have put them in there. They probably would have been fine. Probably would have made some noise, or probably would have wore these out a little faster. But you know, if I'm going through this trouble and I have it apart and we know the motor's going to make a little bit of power, I might as well just fix on it, wrench on it now. Like I say, I have no idea really what I'm doing. I have a book and I can learn, and if I'm going to be racing this thing, might as well learn how to work on it. Weddle has a transmission shift fork jig. My buddy called and suppose we got on a list for December. Just, I guess they take however many people's on the list, and if you want it, they'll make it. So we'll see what happens. We'll see come December. So what else we have? We got, yeah, like I said, I have a problem. More transmissions. Yeah, but anyway, I know I got transmissions in there and parts in there. So I got enough parts if I break parts to put parts in to break more parts. Anyway, stay tuned. Things are going to start ramping up again once I get this car running with the bigger motor. I got bushings to put in. I got a lot of stuff to do, and then we're going to work on this car. Everybody's kind of happy with this car, according to the comments I've been getting. So I appreciate all the new subscribers. Stay tuned. What's this? That might be a project for the blue car. I like it. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Those of you that know me know that I like comments, and I do reply back. So stay tuned. This is, I think the Weddle package is coming today with all the parts. So maybe this weekend I'll get to working on it. All right, everybody. Stay safe. Bye.